Is that the best sounding V10 you've ever heard?
Yes.
What's up guys, thanks for tuning in today's video. We are going to be doing a Miami midnight run with a ton of supercars and regular traffic like this Turbo S here. You know your regular traffic, right? NPC traffic. Oh shit.
They're driving crazy, all the cars are fast, we don't need to show off.
Late as hell.
The lead cars, you can follow the R8.
The what cars?
Lead cars.
Lead.
Black Turbo S.
Oh! You're the leader, bro!
I know.
Jesus. Okay, so we're inside of Vin's Audi R8 V10. Vin is actually the guy that took me on my first time, popped my cherry with the drift car vlog that we just did recently. Thank you so much for taking me for a ride, man.
Oh yeah, for sure, bro. It's gonna be a movie.
You might blow the mic. I wish I was outside to record that.
Alright, how is it?
Fantastic,
Sounds
man.
like a V12,
Literally
huh?
sounds like a V12. Man, that's fucking crazy. Like, that's actually insane. Is that the best sounding V10 you've ever heard?
Yes.
Fuck, Vin! Like, bro! No, this is actually insane. No, that's so bad, bro. Like, that's so bad.
I knew you liked it.
Hey, what you think? Sounds good? Oh shit! Don't understand, man. Like, this is like
Videos don't do it.
No,
justice.
no, I
You're
mean-
gonna play it back. You're like, you had to be there.
wow.
Ra-ta-ta-ta.
Guys, I'm telling you, that 7,000, like really revving it.
You've known me how long now, and you've seen my old exhaust setup and different setups. Sounds nothing
like this.
Oh, it's so loud and the pub's off.
So let's take a walk around here and look at some of the cars. 488 Pista, A12. Jan, ¿cómo estás?
How you doing, puppy?
600 Turbo S. Oh my lord, a 458. On a scale of 1 to 10, how badly do you want to be home right now?
Actually, it's pretty. I'm already like by home, so in my head I'm like that's fine. That's fine.
And I'm the older one, by the way. Oh shit.
God damn, that is ear piercing, bro.
Never mind. No, barely. It's probably my ears though. They might be cooked. That literally never gets old.
I'm full on ricer with this shit.
Rev that shit! In all the history of Miami, this has never happened under this bridge. Never. It's gonna get crazy now. Bro, that Pista's insane. Bryce had a spider, man. He should have done something with you.
I know, man.
Damn, dude, this is definitely a wild ride for sure. All right, guys, so we're here waiting at the gas station down in Homestead. So we've driven quite a significant amount of distance. Now we're heading back up north to the final destination. We're gonna get some flybys inside Bryce's 992 Turbo S. I think that's the BMW, we're not this.
If it lifted up the
this one, yeah, go ahead, that was fun.
This is quite possibly the best sounding exhaust system that I've ever heard on an Audi R8 V10. I mean, what you've done here is just fantastic. This is definitely one of the best sounding cars here for sure, but we want to focus on this car in a separate video where we'll talk all about what the exhaust system's all about.
What differentiates it.
Yeah, totally. Sure. And we could get a stock V10 Audi R8 and we'll compare it to yours.
I got 2 other ones at the shop right now.
All right, screw it, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video since we are at our final destination here. Wait. We are at our final stop here. That Audi R8 V10 sounds absolutely insane with Vin's exhaust system that he built for this car. I think it's quite possibly one of the best sounding V10s, or definitely the best sounding R8 I've ever heard. I mean, that high-pitched sound, it's just something that is very, very similar to a V12, which is honestly a huge compliment to say. And this is something that I actually haven't participated in years now. The last one was literally back in like 2022, 2023, but it's great to be back into this scene, and hopefully I'm gonna bring more content for you guys with these cars, and hopefully in the future we can actually alternate between different cars, different POVs. It's very different to hear it from the inside of the car, or perhaps the camera that's mounted on the back, or even this camera here. But hearing it in person when it's flying by, this is definitely the undisputed best exhaust system for the Audi R8 V10 I have ever heard. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps out tremendously with the algorithm. Let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.